Hey Stunning fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. For today's project, we did chalk painting with our daughter and nephew. We bought all the supplies from Amazon. I will include the links in the description below. This video was inspired by an Instagrammer I follow named Tori Green. I will link her profile in the description below as well. We made the chalk paint with chalk and water. We crushed up the chalk with a mallet and used a muffin pan to mix the water and the chalk. I would recommend making a paste-like mixture. If it's too watery, the chalk colors won't show as well in the concrete. A too watery mixture will also not work with the stencils, as the mixture will get under the plastic. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking to unboxing to anything that can be a DIY style project. We would really love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. We used stencils, sponges, and paintbrushes with the chalk paint. We also made a heart mosaic. The adults had just as much fun as the kids with this project. This is a great summer activity to do with the kids in your life. We hope that this gives you some inspiration for the summer, and we will see you next time.